Hi. So, for the purpose for this project is about ethical hacking, about how to hack into the WPA2 protocol, wireless protocol communication. So, we're gonna use two different hacks. The first one is gonna be based on a dictionary attack, using the vulnerabilities if there is a weak password, using a dictionary list of passwords. And the second hack will be using the WPS vulnerability. The WPS is basically a PIN number that comes with the router in order to easily configure the router, and most of the users forget to lock this WPS, so that's what makes it vulnerable. So we're gonna start right now by the first hack, which is the dictionary attack, to figure out the password. You can go ahead and go there. Okay, so first of all, first of all, I'm connecting the Raspberry Pi. You can see it. Let me take the phone for a second. So I'm connecting the Raspberry Pi over here to the screen, and Raspberry Pi doesn't have monitor mode enabled, so I use the custom firmware in order to enable the monitor mode in order to listen to other networks, and also for frame injections. So we're gonna start right now by enabling the monitor mode. So go ahead and find over there. So non-stop monitor mode. So if we do IWF config, we see here that the card, the WLAN 0 card, the wireless card, is on the mode manage. So if you want to enable it, we're going to do the command mode start over here. If we do again, config, we're going to find that the card is on the monitor mode right now. And we need to kill some processes, because these processes stop the card from they switch it back to the manage mode. So in order to kill them, we do the command line airmon -ng check kill. So that's basically gonna kill the processes that interfere with the monitor mode. Next, we're gonna listen to the networks around us. Arrow dump /ngwlan 0. So we can check over here. So all of those networks are the network around us, using different protocols. Most of them are WPA2, using the cipher CCMP. So we're gonna choose our network, our router, which is this one, the secret, and we're gonna target the specific wireless network. So we're using the command line arrow dump ng with the BSSID number, which is 003E5DC44AC2, which is the MAC address of our access point. We're gonna listen into the channel 1, because this one, as you see over here, is broadcasting on the channel number 1. Then we're gonna write it to the desktop into a file. We're gonna write the capture, dump it into a file WPA1 on the interface WLAN 0. So if we click on enter, it starts reading. And basically what we're looking to capture is the four-way handshake. So in order to do that, we're gonna need to disconnect one of the devices. If you see over here, those are the different devices we have in our home. We have different laptop, iPhones, etc. So if I wanna record the four-way handshake, I need to disconnect to force the device to disconnect. It's either by doing a denial dose of service attack to the router, or by doing a authentication attack to the device. So the device we're going to be targeting is this one, which is the iPhone 7. So from another terminal, we're gonna use this command line: airplane ng authentication 2000. On our access point, and we're targeting this MAC address. So basically, we're telling to this device that we are the router, and we're telling him we're making him disconnect from the network. So it's sending the authentication attack, and be careful over here. You're gonna see that a four-way handshake was saved. Okay, so now that we saved the three-way handshake, we can stop doing this command and come over here and stop the capture. So now we captured the four-way handshake on the file. Finally, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use this file that we created, and we're gonna use our password list, and it's gonna check over all the different password, in order to find the correct one using the four-way handshake that we already recorded. So we're gonna click on enter, and then it's gonna check for us, and then finally find the key of the network over here. It was very fast. So using the four-way handshake, it was able to find for us the key. So that's it for the first hack. Then we're gonna do another video for the second one.